everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and tonight we are at the mall, and it might be our last time here because I only have a couple cards left, and some of them are a little low. So we'll see. Might be finishing this tonight, bittersweet, but yeah, let's see what we got going on. I've got, like I said, 3 stores: travel agency, cinema, and candy store. This is the last little bit from the second floor. I don't know where to put these. And that's what I was getting, was my die. But I will use this pretty blue one. Okay, so I didn't pick anyone to go with me to go shopping. I wanted to keep it up, but then I was like, well, it's my last one, so I dedicate this to all of you guys who have been watching this little mini series I've done on Friday nights at the mall, just feeling like a teenager again, and shopping and getting to know you guys with all the different stores and movies and places and pets and all that stuff. So this is from the second floor. This is all the stuff. It fell and I just shoved it back in there. That's why it's not all nice and neat. But I really enjoy doing this with you guys, and I hope you've had fun. And I'm sure if there is a third floor, I might be doing that down the road. But I do have some other things coming up in October that I'm really excited about. And it might actually start next Friday night, just because, depending on if we finish this. But it might start next Friday night, and then it'll go through October, I believe. So that's about 5 Fridays. So we did Harry Potter binder. I used 120, but this says 140, so this might be wrong. And at the mall for tonight is $80, so that leaves me with 30. And I think there's another little bit being transferred over on Monday, so give or take a few bucks. I'll know all of that before next Friday night. And next Friday night might be cash, not prop money, and I also haven't decided that, so we'll see how things go. But for now, I have $80 for at the mall tonight. And I'm going to put a little bit of Sort Quick on because prop money is very sticky. All right, so let's just go to the cinema. I'm not going to do the little picky. Let's just see how many we're going to get at the cinema. 6. All right, we're just jumping right in, aren't we? I don't know if we have 6. We have popcorn, chocolate bar, fantasy movie. Nope, we only had 5. Another popcorn. This is a large one. And then an action movie. That's what we're talking about. I like all of these things. I like chocolate, but I don't like a lot of chocolate. I know I'm weird, but I do like chocolate, but it has to be milk chocolate. Love action movies, like fantasy movies, and love popcorn. So yeah, I can't believe it. Just like that, we're down to 2 stores. Okay, so if you like fantasy or action movies, I would love to know which series you like of that. Like action movies, literally any action movie I will watch. Whoops, doesn't matter. I will watch it if it's, I will watch it. All right, so I didn't even add it up. Is it my first time at the mall? That's because I'm all flustered that we actually finished it. All right, so I need taxes. We're going to pay $2. All right, so 2, 4, and 3 is 7, and 3 is 10, and 3 is 13, and 3 is $16. Let's see if we're going to get a discount, just because that was a lot. $2. So 16 is going to go down to $14. Okay, 14 for the cinema, our last time at the cinema. At least we got the popcorn. I love popcorn. Okay, cinema. It's better than that $3 bottle of water we got that one time. Okay, so let's get 10 in here and 2 2s. 1 and 2. So for the cinema, we saved up, I don't need that, 20, 30, 40, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, $57. Wow. I liked the cinema. Yeah, I would think action is probably one of my favorite genres of movies. And I'm going to put that off to the side so we can show it at the end. Okay, so candy store or travel agency? Let's do... Okay, let's do travel agency. Let's see how many we're going to get. 6 again. Holy cow. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Grab taxes since... Oh my god, is this the only roll of 6? And let's do a discount. Okay. So let's see what we got for travel agency. Switzerland, $3. Sweden, $3. Portugal, $3. I would love to go to Portugal. I'd love to go to any of those places, but Morocco, $1. Singapore, love to go to Singapore, especially for an F1 race. And South Africa for $1 to go see the Great Whites. Taxes, $4. But thank goodness we have a 10% coupon and we're saving $3. So taxes, is there anything for $3? Let's just take Switzerland away. Sorry, Switzerland. Okay, so this is 3, 6, 3 and 6, 10, 11, 12, $13 for travel agency. Have any of you guys been to any of these places? Babe has been to South Africa. Have not. I would love to go to Portugal. Let's see. Okay, so that can go there. That's the candy store. I already wrote $13. So let's grab 13. Right, so we have 2 1s. I don't have any 5s. Okay, I'm taking the 2 1s back. All right, so we're going to do a 10, a 2, and a 1. So $13 being added. I'll count it at the end. Putting that back into travel agency. Okay, let's do the candy store. I'm going to shake the die and then put it in. It's loaded. Okay, got a 2. I'll do 2 now. It scared me. I'm like, why is it only rolling a 6? All right, so we got gummy bears. I'm not a fan of gummy bears. And peach candy. I like peach stuff. I love peach pie. But I don't know if I like peach candy. And then $3 for taxes. So 4 and 3 is $7 for the candy store. Let's see what we got. Oops. $7. So if I put 3 back, I can put in a 10. So we have 45 at the moment in the candy store. I'm just going to put these in here because we're just going to do this stuff back and forth. All right, let's do the travel agency next. 1. Taiwan. Taxes. 4. So $7 for going to Taiwan. That's kind of a lot. let's see what we got going on in here. All right, travel agency. So we had 7. So let's put the 2 and the 1 back like we did before. And put in a 10. I said I'd count it at the end, but I'm still doing it. All right, let's go back to the candy store or the candy shop. All right, there's 4. I'm just going to do candy shop. We're finishing up the candy shop. Or candy store. Oh my goodness. Oh, I do like toffee. I had peanut brittle, but it was cashew brittle when I was at that craft show. This table next to us that we were selling our stuff, they had that, and I had a sample, and I was like, I immediately need the largest bag of whatever that is. It was so good. So toffee candy for $1. Gummy worms for $1. I could pass on gummy worms. Candy cane for $1. I love decorating with the candy cane theme, but I don't really eat them very often. And last but not least, lollipop for $3. And then, we need taxes for $2. So $5, $6, $7, $8 for the candy store, and then we are done. I can't believe it. Oh my God, I already forgot. So it's $5, $6, $7, $8. Right? $8. It is now. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God, I can't believe it's so bittersweet. It is so bittersweet. There's no 5, so we got 2, 4, 6, and 8. So for the candy store, we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 47, 49, 51, $53. In the candy store, second floor candy store. I already wrote it down there. Oh, I didn't write 53. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, travel agency, you're up. I'm just going to put that in there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. We don't need you because we're going to pretend like we rolled a 6. I bet. Let's see if we roll a 6. No, 5. We're still doing 6, but I just wanted to see if it was like weighted because it seemed a little sketchy. All right, taxes. All right, so we have, drum roll, okay, Argentina for $2, France for $1. Who loves the movie Better Off Dead? Okay, Mexico for $2, Scotland for $1. I would love to go to Scotland. Hi, Amy. Amy by nature. Australia. I know there's a lot of budgeters in Australia too. Good day. Good day, folks. Good day, mates. Good on ya. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. I'm trying to think of all the Australian things I know. Okay. I love Australia. I've been there. I would go back. I would live there if there wasn't spiders the size of my head. And last but not least, South Korea. All right. For $1. I don't know if I've been saying the amounts. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. That's opposite. And taxes for $1. I like it. Okay, so Argentina, France, Mexico, Scotland, Australia, South Korea. Taxes for $1. So we have 2, and 2 is 4. So if we have $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10, and we're finishing up our at the mall. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm sad. Hannah, this was such a fun game. Hannah at Prop Budgets. It was super fun saving with your at the mall challenge. So let's pay it and count up what we have. And then we'll count up our donations too. Because I guess we'll put this in the donations. So this is our $10. So we got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 71, 2. $72. Drum roll. Just kidding. Oops, let's put that there. And then let's see how much we had in donations. And since I was using $80, I guess I'll put the rest in there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm actually not going to do that because if I can use that towards another potentially game, I haven't decided if next week is going to be cash or my emergency money that's being transferred. Okay, so let's see what we have in donations up to this point, which it looks like it's 22. Yep, so we got $22 in donations. Wow, very cool. So let's do a little donations, travel agency, candy store, and cinema. And then let's do all right, this is our last little haul from the at the mall. And I've got a little bit of money left over that I might roll into another game. And I have had so much fun playing this with you guys. And again, I appreciate you joining. I appreciate you coming over and loving my little intro. And, you know, because I heard that feedback and how much fun you had with it, I just left it as my intro every single time. So I'm going to kind of miss my little shopping cart intro. So here's my shopping cart outro. Oh, I can't thank you guys enough. I would love for you to click the like button on your way out. Leave a comment if you've enjoyed this little series or if you've played this game. And yeah, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you in another one of my videos in the comment section. And until next time, everybody, take care. Bye.